Ooblalo talk.
Canrick PC.
Today is Wednesday.
What day?
All day today. Let's be
Responsible.
always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Welcome back, everyone. So far, we've talked about what choices are and how every choice has consequences. Today, we're going to explore how our feelings or emotions can affect the choices we make.
That's right. Emotions are a big part of our everyday lives, and they can influence the way we make decisions. Sometimes, when we're happy, sad, angry, or excited, it's harder to make thoughtful choices.
Let's say you're feeling frustrated because you just lost a game. Your friend asks if you want to play again. You have a choice to make, but because you're upset, you might say no right away without thinking.
Or you might choose to play again, but your frustration could make it harder for you to enjoy the game or even play well. Emotions can really affect our actions and the choices we make.
So, what can we do? One thing that really helps is pausing and taming our emotions before making a choice. When we're feeling strong emotions, it's a good idea to take a moment to calm down and think.
For example, if you're feeling angry or upset, you can take a few deep breaths, count to 10, or step away for a moment. Doing these things can help you tame your emotions and give you a clearer mind to make a better choice.
That's right, pausing and calming down can help us make choices we won't regret later. It's like hitting a reset button before making a decision. And remember, last week we did learn about name it, tame it, claim it with our emotions.
When we're calm, we can think about what's best for ourselves and for others. We might decide to share a toy, say kind words to a friend, or choose to give a game another try.
Emotions aren't a bad thing. They're a normal part of life. But sometimes they can make it harder to choose wisely. By taming our emotions first, we can use them to help us make better decisions instead of letting them lead us into choices we might not feel good about.
Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to think and share. Here are some circle up questions for you and your classmates.
For grades K through 5, can you think of a time when you made a choice because of a strong emotion, like being happy or angry? What happened and how did it make you feel afterwards?
For grades 6 through 12, think about a time when you had to calm down before making a decision. What did you do to manage your emotions, and how did it affect the choice you made?
This is a great opportunity to pause the video, circle up, and discuss the questions in your groups. That's it for today. Remember, pausing to tame your emotions can help make better choices.
Tomorrow, we'll talk about how to make thoughtful choices using simple methods. We'll see you then.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Keep practicing taming your emotions before making decisions.
And remember, it's okay to take your time and calm down before you choose. See you next time.